April 2026, the rise of online Visa cards. As you can see, this one, which is saying your stablecoin card is here, spend, send, and earn all in one place. So the first thing to do is to apply. Application submitted. We are currently reviewing the information you provided, and my zip code was wrong. Zip code is supposed to be like 000 or 00267, 00263, 00254. This is the zip code. And then I applied several times. I was placing wrong zip code until I placed the right one, and it said application submitted. We are currently reviewing the information you provided. And then it said now you can activate your card, account verified. I deposited $10. Just a moment, we are activating your card. And then activation of the card requires $5. That is the purchase of $5. Congratulations, your card is active. Your card has been successfully activated and is ready to use. And then I made a purchase for $1 at Starlink. And for this, not $1, it's 10 cents. For this 10 cents, it was the cost of adding the Visa card to Starlink. And then I sent $65 via BEP2 USDT to this card. You deposit using cryptocurrency. Then I made a purchase of $66 to Starlink. This was payment of 2 Starlinks, $33 each. And then this is the how to make first transaction, and you can add this to Apple Pay or Google Pay. And then from there, you can see there was a pre-order of physical cards, and there was 2 cards types, 4 price waves and limited slots. This was on the 6th of April, and there were 4 waves. And then I purchased at wave 3. I purchased my plastic card for $59, and I reserved my card. As we go, I also made some payments to TikTok for promotion of my videos, and I also paid, I think this one is CapCut. And then I made payments to Google for email storage, and then to TikTok. And then I also made some payments to Google $7.49 for blue tick. And then there was a refund. There was a refund of $25. I was quite interested in this refund. Some of the Visa cards, they don't receive refunds. You can see this was $10.91, and now I have $35.91. $25. This was for the blue tick for 1 month, and it failed to purchase, and then it was refunded. I received my refund. This is the way for you to make payments online. Let me show you. You click open the app. Let me open the app to show you some of the features on the app. Yes, on the app here, you can see this is my Visa card, Visa virtual, and my Visa physical is reserved. So I'm still waiting for this Visa physical, which is coming in the 3rd quarter of 2026. Currently, I'm using the Visa virtual. So let me show you how to top up. You simply click top up. You can use bank wire, bank transfer, or you can use stable coins. Let me go to stable coins. Under stable coins, we have USDT. This is what you use. Let me show the network. You can use Arbitrum, 1, Base, Ethereum, Optimism, Polygon, Solana, Tron, BNB. So this Tron TRC20 fee is $5.90. But for BEP20, BNB Smartchain, it's free of charge. It's free of charge. You just pay, I think, $1 when you do a transaction, but for the deposit, it's free of charge. So I think BNB Smartchain or BEP20 is the best when you are doing the transaction. Top-up fee, it's free for BEP20. This is it, guys. You can do the same. If you want to transact online, you simply add your funds to this Visa card using crypto, and then you add to the site that you want. When you want to withdraw, you can withdraw to this card again, and then you can withdraw your crypto from this card. There is also an option for you to withdraw. Let me show you the option to withdraw. This one, which is return send. Here you withdraw with send. Let me click send. You can send via a crypto wallet. So if you want to send, you just place your USDT wallet here, your USDT wallet here, and then you place the amount, and then you send the crypto. This is it, guys. I think you enjoyed this video. If you want to use these services, it's time for you to sign up. Simply go to the bio section on TikTok and click the link tree which is there. Look for the card, link which is available, which is return payment online using Visa, virtual Visa, or you can simply go to the description section on YouTube below this video and then create your account. Start using this Visa card today. There is no waiting time. Thank you so much. Good day. Goodbye.